Hello, welcome back. We were discussing Group 16 in the last 10 lectures. With this, we'll conclude the Group 16. We'll discuss few allotropes of sulfur. Already, we were having a discussion about on heating rhombic, how it changes to monoclinic, monoclinic, how it changes to liquid and all. We'll discuss here different forms of allotropes of sulfur. First one is rhombic sulfur, also called octahedral sulfur, also called alpha sulfur. The interesting point of rhombic and monoclinic is, as we know, the temperature 95.6 degrees Celsius temperature is transition temperature. Below 95.6 degrees Celsius, rhombic is stable. Above 95.6 degrees Celsius, monoclinic is stable. In general, the important point if you see. And the rhombic sulfur structure will be again crown shape. We were discussing this also in the past classes. You can check where sulfur distance will be 204 picometers and angle will be approximately 107 degrees. Because of two lone pairs are there in each sulfur, the distance is 204 picometer and the angle is 107 degrees. The second one is monoclinic, or you say prismatic or beta sulfur. In this, it will be yellow color in general. As I told you, when the temperature increases more than 95.6 degrees Celsius, the monoclinic form will be more stable. That particular temperature is called transition temperature. Okay. The solubility is where it is soluble and all. So many points will be there. Like carbon disulfide, if you see how it is soluble in the carbon disulfide or not, these points are important. But if you see, monoclinic sulfur is soluble in carbon disulfide, whereas rhombic sulfur is not. Okay. So these kind of points, there may be present in your books but not required. Don't worry about that kind of things. Just see the temperature. Here only temperature is important. Remaining points are not required. Don't run behind such kind of points in inorganic chemistry. Okay, now where it is soluble, where it is insoluble. Now they are not going to test your memory. Okay. Next, plastic sulfur, or you say high sulfur. When plastic sulfur, generally it is prepared by pouring the sulfur, boiling sulfur into cold water. Generally it gives plastic sulfur. Plastic sulfur is again one specialty, that is insoluble in carbon disulfide. Then milk of sulfur. Milk of sulfur is obtained by boiling milk of lime with sulfur. Okay, that's why that is called milk of sulfur. Milk of lime with sulfur, when you are boiling, you are getting their milk of sulfur. No specialties are there with that. Colloidal sulfur. Colloidal sulfur is again by passing sulfur hydrogen sulfide, that is H2S gas, through a solution of an oxidizing agent like nitric acid. You can prepare this one. Colloidal sulfur you are getting from H2S. When H2S is passed through HNO3, sulfur, whatever the sulfur is formed, that sulfur is called colloidal sulfur. So colloidal sulfurs you are getting from HNO3 plus H2S, you can say. Milk of lime is nothing but calcium hydroxide plus H2S or sulfur. When you are passing, you are getting there. Plastic sulfur, when you are pouring into cold water, you are getting there plastic sulfur. The above two are known to us, the temperature based things. Gamma, or you say monoclinic sulfur. Gamma monoclinic sulfur is generally prepared by cooling the hot concentrated solution of sulfur. Okay, now when hot concentrated sulfur solution is there, when you are cooling that one, you will be getting there gamma monoclinic. And last one is angel sulfur, or you say epsilon type of symbol, epsilon sulfur. It is obtained by pouring sodium thiosulfate Na2S2O3 solution in concentrated HCl. Okay, now last angel sulfur is prepared by pouring Na2S2O3 in HCl. Okay. So this is from Na2S2O3, sodium thiosulfate in HCl. So these are the allotropes. I just wanted to complete the topic. That's why I am giving this. But actually not required. Don't worry about the allotropes of sulfur. Just look at the rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. Below 95.6 rhombic is stable. Above 95.6 monoclinic is stable. Okay, now just remember the temperature 95. Exactly 0.6 is not required. Okay. 95-96 degrees Celsius, you can remember. Below that, above that, that is the transition temperature. and structure will be a crown shape. In the crown shape, the distance is 204 picometers and the angle is 107. Thank you all. We'll meet with another group next time. Have a wonderful time.